I've lost over 220 pounds. I have a new food find haul. Last time I did the savory, this time we're doing the sweet. All these came from Thrive Market. Let's see what we got. Oh, about to drop the box. Stay up there, baby. First up are Evolved Organic Coconut Dark Chocolate Cups. These are keto. A little smash. We'll still try it. Listen, flavor's good. She's just not very pretty to look at. Parma cashew cookies. These are chocolate chip bites. No refined sugar in these. They are not keto friendly, but I thought my husband might like these. He's a cookie junkie, and he needs to watch his sugar. So I thought maybe he would like these. So I'll taste test them for him. You know I will. Ooh, it's quite nice and soft. Now these are low sugar. They are milk chocolate style covered caramels, however you say it. Kind of looks like a little malt ball. Is that what they are? I don't know. And then I got the dark chocolate version of the caramels or caramels. You little fancy people. These are skinny dipped, super dark and sea salt almonds. Very nice. Excited about this. Thrive has dark chocolate chips that are keto friendly, and the price is pretty good on these. They're little babies. You see them? They're good. I have been getting these bars lately. This is a new one, peanut butter dark chocolate. The peanut butter ones, amazing. So we're gonna try this one. These are keto friendly bars. They got 1 gram of sugar, 4 grams of net carbs, and 5 grams of protein. I hope they're just as good as the peanut butter ones because I am absolutely in love. Cheers. Just as good.